Well, hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brooklyn Stays. Well, welcome if you are new. Welcome for the first time. Glad to have you here. If you are not, welcome back. Welcome back to my channel, everyone. So what have you been doing? You know, life, as they say, has been lifing. So a lot's been happening, a lot to take care of. Nothing bad, things to take care of. And so, you know, with that said, you kind of say, I need to make a video. I need to check in with my YouTubers, with my Brooklynites. That's the name I'm going to give you guys. Brooklynites. Okay? If you're a member of this channel, if you subscribe to this channel, if you're not, hit that subscribe button so that you too can become a Brooklynite. Okay? So yeah, you like Brooklyn? I'm so Brooklyn. Are you so Brooklyn? Go over to the I'm so shirt or down at the bottom, tap on and get yourself one of these shirts, or get one that you're so from, wherever you're so, whatever, get wherever you're from. It's about representing who you are and where you're from, right? So today I'm gonna get right down to it. Thank you again, and make sure you please thumbs up the video. You know, we always ask you to thumbs up the video because it does help the channel to grow. It helps it to be shown to other people that have similar and the same interests. So that's why we ask you. It's a way of supporting the channel without giving any money. Something free for you to do. So thank you so much, all you guys that are always watching, always commenting. You know, you hit a thumbs up. In fact, I want you guys to go and find either a apple for the Big Apple or the Statue of Liberty in your emojis in your phone. Put that in the comments. Let me see who's out there. Let me see who's really a supporter of Brooklyn States. Okay, let me see. I'll be looking for it in the comments. Please go ahead and do that. I love it when you guys comment. I really do. I love reading it. Sometimes it helps me. It laughs. You know, today, a little quick story. I did an Uber coming from a meeting, and the Uber driver, he was from Iran, and he said, you know what? He says, you have a really good spirit about you. I've heard that. And just before that, someone said, you have a really good speaking voice. I can listen to you speak all the time, right? And then to hear him say that, he says, you know, I was ready to go home. He says, but you brightened me up. You made me you perked me up, want to stay out and, you know, drive some more. He said, so thank you for that. I thought that was so nice of him to do that. And you know, when people say that, they feel my vibe, feel my spirit, it just makes me feel really good. You know what I mean? So thank you guys for always making lovely comments. And thank you guys for always watching and supporting, even if you don't say anything and you hit the thumbs up button. I appreciate that so much. So I just wanted to say that, you know, you can make someone's day without knowing you're making someone's day, just by doing the simplest little thing. So always be good. It'll come back to you. Trust and believe. All right. Anyway, let's go. I am behind in making these Easter baskets. You've seen me do a lot of hauls and things and, you know, shopping at the sales. And I have all these containers over in my work area over there. And it's time to get busy. You know, every day every day for the next 2 weeks, I'm going to be making baskets and gifts. I'm not going to be doing too much because, you know, I don't have like a huge business, but, you know, I just want to utilize what I have purchased and make some nice, cute, affordable gifts for children of all ages and maybe even some adults. And Mother's Day is coming right after that, so I need to get busy on that too. With that said, I said in a couple of videos, I had some things from Walmart. Now I'm waiting on Walmart. I don't have any codes to attach to them. I'm waiting on Walmart to, you know, get back to me so that I can do that. If I can find something, one of these things that I find useful that's on Amazon, well, guess what? I'm just going to go ahead and link the Amazon link until I can link the Walmart link. So in random order, I don't know what this is because I had this delivered March the 2nd. So it was delivered on March the 2nd, okay? And I'm just now opening it. So I just got some, you know, basic things. And, oh, these are slap bracelets. So I just wanted to put some slap bracelets in the baskets for the kids. So I do have some slap bracelets, but I just wanted to see what those were looking like so that I would know and then possibly order some more. Meanwhile, I did get some from the Party City when they went out of business. So I said, well, let me see what these are about, and then I'll know. You know what I mean? So I didn't get many because I didn't know what size they were going to be, or, you know, or what it was. But it was really, it's from the Celebrate. So from the Celebrate line. And as you can see, there's dinosaurs and things on it. These will probably be for the little boys, you know, with the dinosaurs. And so what is this? Oh, okay. See, these are, again, you know, I said, let me just get some socks. These were very inexpensive. I don't even know how much these were, I don't know if they were on clearance or what. I think they were on clearance, but I got the little Spider-Man bracelets for the bracelets. I said bracelet socks. So they're different, as you can see, different patterns of the socks. And they're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pair of Spider-Man socks. So those are so cute. You know, the different patterns of the Spider-Man socks. So that's cute with the spiders on it. Spider-Man has been around for such a long time. Oh my goodness. When I was a kid, it was about Spider-Man. And here it is, some 50 something years later, it's still about Spider-Man. Oh my goodness. So that is so cute. So these are the Spider-Man socks. And since then, like I said, I did get more of Spider-Man socks, but I wanted to see what these were about and then go back and order more, which is why you see me only having one of each. But then if I found a better deal somewhere else, then guess what? I got them there. So this I had as part of the delivery. You know, sometimes it's like, you know, just go ahead and order the delivery, have them bring it to your doorstep. You know, it's easier, it's faster, and you kind of don't do any impulse shopping either. So these, oh, okay. Here again, I did get some coloring books. So these are Spider-Man coloring books, as you can see. So I did get probably a half dozen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I got 6 of them. So these are nice little Spider-Man activity coloring books. And these are cute. So you see that it has something for the kids to do in the coloring. And there's several pages. I don't even know how many pages this comes in. It's ages 3 and up. It doesn't say how many pages, but nevertheless, it's that many pages. That many pages, okay? Since then, again, you know, you saw me in Party City, right? And so when Party City closed, I got more books. But I just wanted to, I don't think I had any Spider-Man books. So I said, well, let me get some Spider-Man books and coloring books in case I couldn't find any of them elsewhere. And so I just went on ahead and picked those up. Now this, I have no idea what these are. I think these are part of these are part of my Temu haul. So we're gonna put this aside and open up this box that we know is Walmart, because I do have Temu and this part of Walmart, and I have a little bit of Amazon. I might just put it all in this video, or I might just break it up. So these, oh, okay. These are crayons. So I just wanted to get, you know, some small crayon boxes that, you know, had a couple of crayons in it versus getting a full crayon box or just getting the crayons and me having to break them up. I don't have time for that. So these are cute. These came from a vendor off of Walmart, an individual vendor. And as you see, it has 5 crayons in it. So this is just enough. Okay. I love that. And I don't even know how many came in here. Let's see. Shipped as 1 unit. 24 packs of these crayons. I wish I had the link. I really do wish I had the link for this. Like I said, if I find them, the link on Amazon, I will put it in Amazon for those of you who may be interested in getting a 24 pack of these crayons. I didn't go to Dollar General during that penny craze and, you know, get in the aisles with everybody and just go cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs over, you know, the penny aisles. And yes, that would have been a good deal, but no, I didn't do that. So, you know, I did it another way. Sometimes I don't have, I just don't like the way people act when they go in there and they're like, you know, even with like the Black Friday sales, I did that one time, and one time was enough for me. I mean, people just act crazy. They just lose their mind, and I just don't like that. So sometimes I'm like, let them have it. Let them have it. So also with Walmart, here's what I did get as well. I got a lot of these. These are so cute. So stinking cute. They are part of the Celebrate, as you could see, the Celebrate Easter plushies. And these were only like $1. So I got quite a few of these because these can go in each basket in these 3 colors, and they're so soft and so fuzzy. I love them. Yeah, I didn't get them for 10 cents and, you know, somewhere else in other stores. Like I said, the way people act sometimes, it just blows my mind. So I did get quite a few of them, and that's what I got from Walmart. Now, what else? Here's another Walmart bag. Some more slap bracelets. I wanted to get something for the girls, like I got the dinosaurs for the boys. I wanted to try out the unicorns for the girls, so I did get those. And then I did get quite a few of these Bluey Color Twist bath bombs. And so there we are, the bath bombs for Bluey. And I did get quite a few of those. And then also from the Celebrate line, I thought this would be good for Easter basket to light up football. So see that light up, and as you can see, it's lighting up. Let me see if I can turn my light off. There you go. See how it lights up? So I thought that that was so cute, guys. Look at that. And so it's just like a Nerf football. It's really soft, and it lights up, as you see. So I did get quite a few of these. And then also from the Celebrate line, I did get some party bubbles. So this comes 24 bottles. Let me just go ahead and open it so you guys can see. They're small little things of bubbles, little containers of bubbles. Oh, you know what? I was supposed to open it this way. No wonder it's so hard to open. Open it from the front. I'm opening it this way, wondering why it's so hard, and you're supposed to open it from the front so you can see it like this. So yeah, so there we are. And I had to choose the blue one, right? I went right to the blue one. So that's cute, little small thing of bubbles. And let's see, I don't want to break the seal. No, I don't want to break the seal. So I was going to show you the little container, you know, the little holder where you blow it. But that's it. So it has 24 of those, and I thought that was a good deal to be a basket filler as well. For a little small basket, or even a larger basket. So that would be all that I did get from Walmart. I just showed you a condensed version of it, and a quick and dirty deal. So now, I think I'm going to just go on and, you know, maybe, I don't want this video to be too long. We always say that, but, you know, so that's the thing that I did get from Walmart. But from Amazon, I'm going to include this because Amazon and my Temu, well, I'm just going to go ahead and show you what I got from Amazon. First things, I didn't know the size of these pull bows. You guys, when you're looking at things on Amazon or Temu, just, you know, you're trying to figure out the sizes of them, and until you get the hang of it, you know, just watch out for the sizes because they blow the picture up. So they make you think that it's large, and then when you get it, it's not large at all. So these came in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs of, how many are in each one of these? Made in China. Yeah, we know that. Size, what does that say, guys? I don't even know what that says. Small, sorry about that. It might say large size. I can't even see what that says because it's so faint on the package. Well, it just says 58 millimeters. So I don't know how many comes in these packs of each because it's not listed. But these are just the pull bows, and they're beautiful. Lavender. These will go good with Mother's Day, for Mother's Day as well. It's so pretty. And these are like the satin. As you can see, you can kind of see through it a little bit. You see what I'm saying? So these are really pretty pull bows. I almost want to pull one and show you, but I don't. I'm not. So these will be really pretty on some Mother's Day and Easter baskets as well. So I did get those. So let's see what else. I'll put this up after the video. So from Amazon, let's go ahead and open it. I have no idea what's in this bag. You know, it's like in doing things, you're like, okay, that's what I ordered. You look at your phone, your app, and you see that you did get it. And unless it's something that you're going to use right away, you know, it's for basket making, you're like, okay, yeah, I'll put it in the container and I'll open it later. And then later almost never gets there, right? So I don't know what this is, but we shall see. Oh, I think I know what this is. Yeah, shrink wrap bags. So I got some shrink wrap bags because I said, let me just go ahead and order them here because I don't know, like when I get them from Temu, unless I'm ordering from a local warehouse, you know, it might be a week or 2 or 3, and I just didn't want to start making baskets and then run out of them. So I did get some shrink wrap bags, and these are the larger ones. I did not have any larger ones, and so now I do. All right, so I'm glad those came in because I do have some cello bags and I do have some other shrink wrap bags that I had from before. So I was like, let me just get some more. And then this is my last Amazon bag. So how you guys been doing? I mean, you guys haven't sent me a message on Instagram. You can follow me on Brooklyn Stace 2. I don't, the number 2. Brooklyn Stace and the number 2. And if you have any questions, sometimes people leave nice comments there in my inbox. And some people want to leave questions that they don't want to say on, on the comment section. So if you want to leave me a message, or you have a question or something that you want to see me do more of, let me know. Go on Instagram, make sure you follow me, and leave me a message. Emails are only for business inquiries. I don't want the spammy emails. That's the only thing about leaving your email. People see it and they start spamming, the spammers. But that's okay. That's the way it is, right? So I did get some more pink bows in this. So they're kind of just like these purple bows, but they're pink. So no need to open them. They're the exact same. And it's just a pretty color. So I just wanted some in pretty Easter colors. And so, yeah, that's what these are. Okay. And that's funny. I got the exact same thing in 2 bags. So I got the bows, the purple bows in this bag, in this package, and then the pink bows with the shrink wrap bags in this package. The only difference is it's a different size of the shrink wrap. Yeah, it's a smaller size. So I thought that was cute that I opened it not knowing what it was, and come to find out it's the same thing in different bags. So that was the haul. I'm glad I went on ahead and, did that. So I'm going to do the Temu haul in a separate video. So if you guys just stay tuned. I will be getting to making my basket soon. And I do have, I just wanted to update some people on my VSG, my weight loss surgery. So if you hadn't seen that video, please go back and see that video. Those of you who are interested in knowing how I am doing, some almost, well, we're working on 3 years post-op. In August, it will be 3 years, so another 4 months, just to see how I'm doing and how I have been doing. And then I'm going to do a sit down and actually talk and just go over some more pointers, okay? So with that said, I'm going to end this video, and then I'm going to do a Temu video separately. All right, so with that said, thank you again so much for watching. Thank you for your support. Take care and be well. Bye-bye.